What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you something. Do you like to have the best things in life? Of course you do. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best apps that pays PayPal money in 2020. So if you're ready to have the best things in life, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best apps that pays PayPal money in 2020. Now, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I make videos that help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And soon, very, very soon this month, somebody gonna win some free money. So if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out my video. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today. And please put down where you're from, guys, because when I do my money making online research, I just want to make sure that I'm covering all the countries that you guys are located at. So please put where you're from in the comments below. Also put a creative comment, because I might shout your name out if I see a very creative comment in the comment sections below. So if you want to get your name shouted out in one of my videos, leave a very, very creative comment in the comment sections below. All right, guys, of course, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. I'm going to just jump into this and show you these apps. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to tell you guys about. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you the best apps that pays PayPal money in 2020. So let's grind and let's get it.
Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is The Plug. So the reason why I picked The Plug is because in this day and age, social media is the business to get into. So if you get into social media marketing, you can make some money if you have a good following on your Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, and you can make some good money with this app. So it says here, The Plug, easily monetize your influencer audience. Said pick a plug. So you would put in your social media account once you log into this app, and you're gonna pick a plug, which is one of your social media accounts. You'll put that in there and choose that you're going to be running ads to that account. So it says choose an app to promote, post it on your socials, and then you'll start making money. So each week you're going to be earning plug coins for promotions. Turn coins into cash. So cash out anytime with PayPal, receive fast payment, and review your account history with ease. Then you'll be able to track your promotion, and you can do that in real time. And they also have a referral program. So now you can earn 500 plug coins after your referral earns 1,000 plug coins. So once they get 1,000 plug coins, you would earn 500 plug coins. So this is a good app if you have a good following on your social media accounts, and you can start making some money basically on autopilot. You're not going to be making that much. You're going to be making some cents here, cents there, but it'll add up over time. Okay, so if you're interested in the plug, just go online to plugco.in or get the app at the Apple App Store. Okay, I'm at the next app. I'll tell you what this app is in a minute, but it's one of the best apps out there. And it says here, complete paid online surveys. So this is a survey app. Earn points and redeem for cash and gift cards. So you'll sign up through Facebook. And top rewards can redeem for Amazon gift card, PayPal, cash, iTunes, or Walmart gift card. So they're looking for survey takers to give their opinion on market research surveys, and you earn points for doing that. And you can redeem these points for a ton of rewards. Now, this app has over 9 million members, and they have paid out over $19 million in cash and rewards since 2007. So this app has been around for a while. And they have paid online surveys available right now up to $520. And they have 504 gift card rewards to choose from. And as of today, they have paid out over $1,066. And here are some reviews right here. And one person right here named Emily E. said that after a week, they already have made $20 and they cashed that out for Amazon gift cards. And they did all this from the comfort of their home. And here's some other reviews from other people that are really satisfied using this app. Now, the name of this app is Prize Rebel. So you probably heard of this app before because I have talked about it before on one of my videos, but I want to bring this up because this is one of the best apps to start in 2020. So if you have not used this app yet, it's time to use it right now. So go ahead and check it out at prizerebel.com.
Now you know the best apps that pays you PayPal money in 2020. So go ahead and download those apps and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you can direct your attention to the description below and go where it says free money giveaway instructions. Now, all you have to do is just follow those instructions, and sometime this month or at the end of the month, you can be the winner of some free money. Now, I'm trying to get to 2,500 subscribers. Once I get there, I'm going to pick a winner. But you still have to follow those instructions to be eligible to be one of the winners. So please follow those instructions in the description below. Also, if you just want to make some money on autopilot and be financially free, check out my #1 recommended site to make money on autopilot in the description below. I also have some other cool stuff that you can check out, a link where you can click and get some money like that today. And I also have other things that you can just check out, like some other free gifts that you can check out. It's all in the description below. All right, that's it. Please, before you leave, hit that like button for me. I'm still trying to get that 100 likes, because if I get 100 likes, I'll make a video talking about how to make money as a small YouTuber. One of my grind family members put that in the comments. They wanted me to make a video about that. But I want to make a video for all you guys. So if a lot of you guys, enough of you guys want that video to be shown, please hit that like button so let me get 100 likes, and also leave a comment saying you want to see a video that shows how to make money as a small YouTuber. All right. Also, drop a comment down below and tell me if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And please share this video all around the internet, because I truly, truly, truly want to help everybody I can all around the world to make money online and be financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. Again, Grind family, thank you for your support. Keep supporting the brother and keep helping me grow. That's it. One more thing before I leave. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.